Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can replace any video in the Video Editor without deleting any other details. First, after going to New Project, you need to click on Save, and from here, select any video. For example, I'll select this video here. After that, click on Next, and in this way, bring the video onto the timeline. Now, what do you need to do next? Now you need to click on this layer, and then you'll see an option here called Replace. If you have any music added above, or if there's a sticker here, a green screen, or any other layers, they will all stay exactly as they are. You need to click on it on the video layer, and then click on Replace from here. As soon as you click on Replace, go to Video and select any video you want. As soon as you select it, you'll see that the new video appears here. Its length is less than the old video, so you just need to get a permission here that yes, the length of the new video is enough. Any extra part after that will be cut off from here. After doing this, you need to click OK here. As soon as you click OK, the video will be replaced with the new one, and no other details will be deleted. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell icon.